Let's change the themes in Microsoft Outlook. At the top, you can see the home link, which is there by default. So I'm going to click on View instead, and I want to choose the View Settings. So I can click View Settings, and just make sure you're in the General section. So in the General section, you can scroll down to the theme section that you see here. So here's your modern themes as well as colors. So let's just go ahead and change the color to green, for instance. So I'll select green, and I'll choose Save. And I'll just close this just to show that everything that was blue, with the exception on the left-hand side, is now green. I'm going to go back into View Settings, and I'm going to choose one of those fancy options that you saw under Modern Themes. So let's go ahead and choose this Alpine Glow theme, for instance, and click Save. And I'll close it, and there's my new theme for Alpine Glow. So let's go through each one of those just so you can see. I'm not going to go through all the different colors, but let's take a look at the different modern themes. So we'll choose this next one, which is called Arctic Solitude. And what it does is it just shows sort of a faded picture on the left-hand side. And if we click to go home and create a new email, you can see that theme does not extend to new emails. And in older versions of Outlook, it did do that, where it added all kinds of pictures and things. And that added a lot of storage to each of the emails, which ended up just taking much longer for the email to get sent. And also, it added additional storage requirements when you had a lot of emails. So the themes themselves don't make that big of a difference, but I am going to show you each one of those just so you can take a look at them. Now these were all the different modern themes, but what we want to do is if you click on the little classic button here, you're going to expand and you can see all the classic themes as well. Now that's a lot of themes that you can certainly check out on your own. So that gives you an idea of how to change the themes in the new version of Outlook.